Welcome on board. Now, when you've successfully installed Virola Messenger, it's time to learn how to get started and use its fundamental features. You're now in your new Virola window. Here are two user accounts for chat testing, Alice and Bob, as well as a group chat room. Both Alice and Bob are not chatbots. They cannot answer you back, but you can use them to test the chat functions in one way. Let's say I select Alice and send her a message and an image. By clicking the right mouse button, you can see a variety of actions you can perform on your message. I'll turn my message into an issue, for example. At the top of your chat room window, you can see an intercom icon. If you click on it, you'll see some options for audio and video conferencing. You can turn on all these tools, including your camera, but it's better to have another person on the other side to test this, and this person can be you using another user account. So let's create a new user account so that you can log in from your mobile device and arrange a conference between two users. Now let's take it in order. First, go to Administration, choose Manage Users, and click the Create New User icon. Type the name of your new user and create a password. My new user will be Sam, and I'll put a simple password from 1 to 5. For the next step, Virola will offer you to fill in the user profile info. I'll skip this step for now. As you can see, my new user account has been created, but now I need to create a private chat room to make him appear on the left chat list panel. I click the right mouse button and choose Create New Private Room. Then I have to find my user by name and create a new chat room with him. Great, now you see Sam in the list, and we can start our next test. You can use another computer or your phone to log in to Virola as your new user. Get Virola Messenger on Google Play or download it on the App Store. I've already installed Virola on my phone, so I'll just open it. Type your host and port, the same that you used for your first Virola login, but put the username and password created for your new user. I'll type Sam and my simple password and press the login button. Right now, Sam can only see one chat room with the admin because he hasn't been added to any other chat rooms yet. I'll greet Sam and reply to myself with an emoji. As you noticed, I turned the phone horizontally because I can see more content in this position. Now, let's add Sam to a group chat room and explore Virola's features for online meetings there. First, select the group chat room, and then click the right mouse button to open available actions. Choose Manage Meeting Room Users. Search the name of the user you want to add, and click Add and Confirm. By the way, you can remove room participants in the same way. Okay, so Sam joined the room, and he can see a new chat room now. Here is the intercom button. When you click on it, you get the following options. You can turn your headphones or computer dynamics on or off for listening. You can activate your mic to start talking. The watch button allows you to see other people's video streams if they've turned them on. And if you don't want to see anyone, just disable this button. The last one is your camera video streaming. As soon as I click on it, my video appears. You can also see headphones, mic, or camera icons on your colleagues' avatar pics so that you know who's active during the meeting. There are some other options that will help you to work effectively in Virola. This icon enables screen sharing and remote control. The next one is Chat History Search, which will help you to find information by word, phrase, or a file name. And here's the button helping you to hide the right sidebar. All right, so the last thing I'll show you is the live avatar feature, also called periodic camera shots. The purpose of this option is to ease your video streaming, but still demonstrate your presence. This icon enables or disables your camera shots streaming. To set your shot's frequency, just go to Options, choose Audio and Video, scroll down, put the check mark on Live Presence, and set the number of seconds you want your camera to shoot a pic. You can change the resolution as well. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and now you know how to start. You can watch our other video tutorials on our website or our YouTube channel. And also, if you have any questions and need an immediate answer, please contact our support team via live chat. We're ready to help 24/7. Thank you for choosing Virola.